Class 11 Mathematics. In mathematics, we have to learn algebra, trigonometry, coordinate geometry, simple introduction of 3D, and simple introduction of calculus. We have to start class from algebra. The first chapter of algebra is complex number. Complex number. Euler was the first mathematician to introduce the symbol I, the iota, for the square root of -1. That is, a solution of x square plus 1 is equal to 0, with the property I square is equal to -1. He also called this symbol as the imaginary unit. Integral power of iota. If I square is equal to -1, then I cube is written as I square into I. I square is equal to -1 into I, so is minus I. I4 is written as I square into I square equal to I square equal to -1, so -1 into -1 is equal to +1. Thus we get I square is equal to -1, I cube is equal to -I, I4 is equal to 1. From this conclusion, we have to solve some questions. Note, I to the power 0 is equal to 1. Question number 1. Evaluate I to the power 30. I to the power 30 is written as I to the power 4 whole to the power 7 into I square. I to the power 4 is equal to 1. So 1 to the power 7 into I square is equal to -1. So 1 into -1 is equal to -1. Next. Question number 2. So that 1 plus I to the power 10 plus I to the power 20 plus I to the power 30 is a real number. Solution. 1 plus I to the power 10 plus I to the power 20 plus I to the power 30 is a real number. Equal to 1 plus I to the power 10 is written as I to the power 4 whole square into I square. I to the power 20 is written as I to the power 4 whole to the power 5. I to the power 30 is written as I to the power 4 whole to the power 7 into I square. So 1 is 1, I to the power 4 is also 1, I square is equal to -1, I to the power 4 is 1 whole to the power 5 plus 1 to the power 7 into I square equal to -1. 1 or I square 1 square equal to 1 into -1 is equal to -1. 1 to the power 5 is 1 or 1 into -1 is equal to -1. So is 0 or 0 is a real number. So this given expression is a real number. Evaluate. Question number 3. Evaluate I to the power 69 plus I to the power -69. Solution. I to the power 69 is written as I to the power 4 whole to the power 17 into I plus I to the power -69 is written as 1 by I to the power 69. I to the 1 I to the power 4 equal to 1. So 1 to the power 17 into I plus 1 by I to the power 4 whole to the power 17 into I. So 1 plus I plus 1 plus 1 by I equal to I square plus 1 by I square is equal to minus 1 plus 1 by I, so is equal to 0. Next question. Question number 4. Show that I to the power n plus I to the power n plus 1 plus I to the power n plus 2 plus I to the power n plus 3 equal to 0. Solution. LHS. I to the power n plus I to the power n plus 1 plus I to the power n plus 2 plus I to the power n plus 3 equal to I to the power n. I to the power n plus 1 is written as I to the power n into I. I to the power n plus 2 is written as I to the power n into I square. I to the power n plus 3 is written as I to the power n into I cube. Then we take a number common, I to the power n. From this expression, I to the power n common, after taking common I to the power n, we get 1 plus I square plus I cube. I to the power n, 1 is 1, I is I square equal to minus 1 or I cube barabar minus I. So this is 0. So I to the power n into 0 is equal to 0. This class is end. Next topic is for next class. Thank you.